3, 2, 1. Welcome to Bexley. Non-verbal. Sub-test 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5 minutes for 10 questions. This is on page 34 out of 131. If you guys do not have this exam papers plus paper, it's okay. If you watch this video, you will still learn useful things to help you pass your non-verbal section of your 11 plus exam. Through this video, I'm going to go through these sub-test section 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's begin. Subtest 1, we are looking at, on the left of each of these questions, there are 3 figures alike. Decide which of the 5 figures are most like the 3 figures on the left. Mark its letter on your answer sheet. Make sure you have this in front of you. If not, we're just going to circle the correct answer. On the real day, it's so important. You will put a pencil line inside the rectangle and then you hand this sheet in, then they will mark it. Most like the figures. Here we go. Look at these random shapes. Now, every time you see random shapes, it's so important to just quickly count the sides. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all pentagons. So let's quickly count each one and we find it. 4 sides. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an arrow maze. Probably too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do not waste time with the last shape. 5 minutes for 10 questions. Time is really tight. In the real exam, I might not even have looked at that because it's probably not 5 sides. You just count the normal kind of shapes. Who cares what that is? D is the answer. Next question. I was being a little bit unfair on that one. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not going to be that anyway. Next question. Question 2. We have a white shape and then the small one. And you can see the white one is bigger. So, get rid of the silly ones. It can't be grey. Big one. And it's got to be a reflection. That just goes in. No. Reflection. C looks good. D, no, it's the wrong way. If we flip this dude round, then yes. And E is not even the same shape. Therefore, C is the answer. Can you see how quick that was? Question 3. Curve shape, and then can you see inside? Count. There's just some shape. You need to do these as fast as possible. There's nothing else to do. Count. They're all 4 sides. Right. 3. Triangle. No. Circle. No. 4 sides. Yes. Inside. That's 4. This one. 5-sided pentagon. No. Okay. It's either C or D. Right. They look pretty close. Next bit. They are all curved. Just some big one curve all the way round. So here. C and D, I checked the mark scheme because I was feeling a bit unsure. It's a fantastic question. There's a curve here and then they're all curved. So really, the answer is D. Because it's not C, because they're actually straight edges. It's a fantastic question. Next, number 4. Some random looking shape. First thing I was thinking was counting the sides, but then look at this. They're all the different sides. Right. Now, every time you see weird shapes, what's a really good rule? You need to think line of symmetry. Why? Because you need to make the shape the same order. You need to give it some order, I mean. Put a vertical line. Done. It's exactly the same. So here, no, because white and black L shape. Here, yes. C, no. Look at this Christmas tree. If that triangle on the right was black, just matching the one on the left, it'd be good as well. D, no. E, no way. So there we go. The answer is B. Tick. Next question. Question 5. Shape inside is white. 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 Yes, 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 no. Shape outside. Black. Connecting to it. Black connecting. Connecting. Yes. Yes, not connecting. Here. But also look at the two shapes. They are the same. So it's either A or B. And now, how about the big shape? Circle. Here, big circle. Little square, big square. Little triangle, big triangle. So there we go. That circle and some oval. If that was a circle as well, that would work. So here, B is the answer. Because it's hexagon, a little hexagon, and the outside is a big hexagon as well. Question 6. Lots of shapes, count. So big one, 4, little one, 4, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond, 1, 2, 4. Here, dun dun dun, 4. They're both 4. Okay, 4, there's a triangle, no. Pentagon, here, 5. No. 4, 4, yes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L shape, no. So the answer is C. That was really fast. I hope you can see that really quickly as well. That's just 10 seconds. Next, number 7. I had to check this one, by the way, just to make sure. Very interesting one. So straight away, how many dots? 2. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, does the outside shape matter? No, because they're all different. Curved lines, straight lines, no, because the circle is curved, but this one is straight. So what else? What else? Fascinating one. Now, also, here, have a look where the dots are. 1 in each section. Fine. So B is out straight away. The others, they look pretty close. Now, it didn't look like D to me because the section is really big, and here as well, but that can't be a reason. Okay, one more thing. Look at the number of dots. Now, what else matters? What else can we count? Because we need to bring order with these kind of questions. The number of lines. How many in the middle? 2. How many here? 3. And how many here? Dun, 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 dun. 4. So it looks like, have a look. The dots are on top. That's the red number. And the green numbers, the lines on the bottom, shown. And you can see the dots equals the line. So here, 2, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines, but here, dun, 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 4 dots, no, and here, 2, 2, okay, and here, that is 2, 1, so now it's either A or D. Can you see a small difference? Can you see a small difference between them? When I looked D, it kind of didn't look right, but come on, that's not a reason. Have a look at the lines, here, what's the difference? They cross, so there we go, A is the answer. That is a fantastic question, that's the best one so far in this subtest 1. Let's keep going, 3 more questions, then we move on. Question 8. Quick, look. We've got 30 seconds per question. So here, arrow. They all have an arrow. Okay, well, what matters about arrows? Direction. Away from them. Away, away. Yes, no, that looks funny. No. Next, look at the cross. It is a cross. Cross, cross on them. So, which one isn't a cross? That one. You can cross over it if you want. Next. Look at the layout of the boxes. There's a gap between them, so no way. Okay, so it's either A or C. Now, exam technique. If you are running out of time, you are feeling a bit uncertain, which one would you pick, A or C? You might be thinking, why is William asking me? It doesn't matter. A or C, quickly pick one, move on. It does matter. Don't pick A. Do not pick A because the examiner, the person who is setting the question, wants you to think about the question. So I would always pick C, and the cool thing is it might be the answer. Now, let's quickly look at this. A and C, there might not be any difference. Look at the white circle, black circle. Does the color of the circle matter? I was hoping it would be connected with the arrowhead, but we can't say that. Black here, black arrow, black circle. This one, white circle, black arrow. No, it's actually the overall layout. If we ignore these boxes, can you see it's actually the same layout? If I spin this one round, if I spin it round here, rotate left, there. That setup, that is exactly the same. If we look at A, can you see it's not quite the same because the boxes are not placed in that way. That's bottom left, and then that one is just a bit to the right. So if I spin this dude round, that is actually on the left, that bit. So it's not quite the same, so there we go. C is the answer. One really nice way to see it is imagine the boxes don't matter. The boxes do not matter. Just for the last feature, that is here, bottom left, and then here, that will be a bit to the top right. Good. C is the answer. Let's do 2 more, and then that will be it. We are 9 minutes into the video. Let's go. Question 9. Right, quick. Here, 3 shapes each. 3, 3, 3. Here, 4. No. The rest have 3. Next. There's always a grey shape. Here. Grey, 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 grey. Next. Now the colours may not matter anymore. Look. There's a triangle. Here. Triangle, triangle. Dun, 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 dun. There's 2 triangles. No. Next. Circle. Circle, circle, circle. Because I'm looking at the fact that the colours don't matter. One nice way is you picture them. They are all white or they're all grey. So the colours do not matter. That's a really important one. Sometimes with these questions, ignore the colours and we're good. Look here. Circle, circle, circle. That one. In each. Yes, yes, yes. Next. Got circle or triangle. Fine. The other shape doesn't seem to matter. We got hexagon, square and heart. I think that's the big clue. There's a heart. There's a random heart. Maybe that doesn't matter at all. Right, now location. We know there's a circle and a triangle in each, but where are they? Now, I know they're kind of all next to each other, which you guys might have been thinking, like an L shape. Doesn't matter today. Diagonal here. Diagonal, diagonal. Oops. That is brilliant. Diagonal. No. Straight. Here. No. So there we go. E is the answer. Brilliant question. Woo! And now question 10. Here. First thing, so much info to look at. The first thing that stands out to me, because I've done these questions for many years, is the black part. Because there are 2 sections to it. It's halved. Black is facing away. Away, away. Okay, that's facing in. No. Away, 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 away from the shape. Next, there's a line. Okay, big deal. That line crosses how many lines of the big shape? 2 lines. 2 lines here. That one. It's crossing 2 sides. Don't know right now. 2. Yes. 2, 2. Yeah, don't know about that. Doesn't matter. Keep it in. Next. White triangle. Where is it? Outside. Outside. Here. Outside. Inside. No. Outside. Yes. Next. 2 little lines. 2 little lines here. 2 thick little black lines here. Yes. Oh, that's... how cool is that? You see, by filtering it, even as a tutor for many years doing this, I can just about see that. Right, so it's either B or E. What a brilliant final question for this cool short video. Next, I've told my students this before. If there are 2 options, just look, force yourself, ask, what's the difference between them? And sometimes it doesn't work. I can't see it straight away. That's why I had to check the mark scheme for this one. Now, I got up to this point. Now, exam technique. Which one would you pick, B or E? You want the examiner, you know the examiner will make the students think, so you need to pick one of the later options, and I keep telling my students you need to pick C, D or E if one of them is left in. Why? Because the examiner wants you to think, wants you to look at more choices. So here we pick E, and that's the brilliant thing. It's actually the answer. Now I'm going to tell you why. So that's the cool thing. I'm getting these questions right, even if I do not fully spot it. Here we go. You see that line, that red line crossing the 2 sides? I was just thinking, that's it. But look here, there's a corner. 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 So actually make sure there's a corner. That's why when I had B, you heard me saying I was feeling a bit unsure. There is no corner there. But here, there is a corner. There. Little corner there covering it. So there we go. E is the answer. The other reason, I actually thought every little thing, if we ignore the line, every shape is on a different side. It actually kind of works. The 2 little lines with the circle on a different edge here, different edge. And here, that and that, they're actually kind of on the different edge. It doesn't quite work there. Doesn't quite work. So ignore that. But hey, it's all part of the process. It's all part of thinking. So that was the final cool reason that that line cutting the shape, there has to be a corner there. So there we go. E is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. This has covered subtest 1. We are 14 minutes in. I'm going to cut the video now. When I get the next one ready, subtest 2 will be on the screen. Keep learning. You deserve a break. Why not? And then you can come back to watch subtest 2. Thank you so much. Another video will pop up. If you guys want to stick on this channel, keep learning, keep watching these videos. You're always one step closer to passing your 11+ exams. Thank you so much.